So the question is, why do Christians sing? So you walk into a church, you're going to hear singing, and it's kind of like, yeah, I don't find that to be true normally in life, that I just walk in and they're singing. So what we find about singing is gasoline. It's a propellant. It's something that furthers emotion. So that's why there's music at sports games. If you had a sports game and there was no music, no yelling, no anything, it would be a more shallow experience. And so Christians traditionally, going all the way back to the Old Testament, have always coupled song. They've been commanded by God to sing a new song. We've always coupled song and music with the more important things, relational and spiritual, where we're supposed to be fully engaged. So without the presence of music or art or singing, we're gonna have a hollower engagement. With the presence of music and singing and art, we're gonna be able to deepen that engagement, create a greater ability to focus on God, experience God, hear from God. And so singing for Christians is really prayer, I think, set to music. It's singing our prayers. But what we're really doing is talking to God, speaking into God, trying to connect with God, and the music only focuses that, centers that, allows it, propels it forward. And so it's really simple that way. It's really simple.